So good morning. Today I'm going to demonstrate the 3 ways of inserting a color and how to insert an image to your web. So first, we're going to open Notepad. And I have here the ready-made document of an HTML file. So we have the head, we have the HTML, the head, the title, the body. Okay, inside of the body, we're going to create, we're going to insert an image and to change the colors in 3 ways. So before that, we have to save this one, Ctrl S, and go to our desktop, to our folder, which is my web, and save it as index.html. So, okay, so how to do the background? So we have the style is equals to code background dash color is equals to pink. So Ctrl S. Let's go to our to the folder, which is my web, and run it. So we have the pink. We have the document with a pink background. Now we have 3 ways how to insert a color. So we have the hex color code and RGB, which means red, green, and blue. So the common one is the red, the pink, the yellow, but in hex color code, I'm going to search that hex color picker. So we have the HTML color picker. So we have lots of colors here. You can visit the W3 schools or just search hex color in Google. Then, so as you can see, there are hundreds of shades, shades of colors. I mean, so there are hundreds of shades of color, and I'm going to pick. What shades am I going to use? This one. So the hashtag P3FF, these are the hex code of the color. This one, the one I highlighted. So I will use these shades of color. So just copy the code and paste it to your code. So save it. So as you can see, this color is our background color, and I'm going to run it. It's actually the color. So the second one is the third one is the RGB, which is the red, green, and blue. So let's go back to our color picker, and I'm going to use this one, these shades, the darker one. Okay, so we have here the hex color code, and we have the RGB. The second line is the RGB, so we have to copy it and paste it. RGB 179209255. Ctrl S. So we're going to use this background color, these shades, and refresh. So it's exactly the color. So I recommend you to use the hex color. It's because it has a hundred of shades of colors than using the pink color that you commonly type like the pink, blue, so it's just unlimited. But in hex color, we have hundreds of shades of colors, so I recommend you to use this one. Okay, so now how to insert an image. I will remove this one. Okay, what is the code for the image? So you have to type the open and close parentheses. Is that, oh yeah, it's a parenthesis. Sakto ba? Or I'm not sure what kind of symbol is that. The less than and the greater than. Okay, I'm going to search para sure jud. Okay, brackets. So this is the code IMG, which means image, and then SRC, which means the source. So image source is equals to, we're going to put the name of our source here. So make it sure na inyong index o inyong picture usa ka balay. Okay. For example, I'm going to search a dog. Okay. I searched dog, it's because it's the basic one, and I also love dogs. This one is so cute. So, dog. Ay na naman day siya. Nasave naman din ako na. So, ako siya ibutang sa my web na folder. Why so cute? Okay, let's go back. So, as you can see, nadali na ako ibutang ang dog na image. So, the name of the file is dog, and the type of the file is JPG. Okay, if I'm going to hover my mouse, there are some descriptions pop up, and it shows the item type, the dimensions, and the size. But we have to check the item type, which is that JPEG file. Aside from that, just right click and let's go to properties, and what type of file? It's JPG, JPEG file. Okay, so let's be careful with that because some of the photos are PNG. So if ever JPEG siya, magibutang sa source nato is PNG, dili siya mo run. Picture nga imong type of file same sa picture nga imong ganahang isulod. Okay. So image source, we have to put the name, which is the name of our picture is dog, and the type of file is JPG. Control S and run. Okay, I have here. Okay, so we have here the dog. The cute dog. So how to make this dog, this picture center? So simply just type the center tag, the start tag, and the end tag of center. So if I'm going to run it, so it's center. Okay, how about the text? Okay, copy paste para madalhan ko na ang text. So I'm going to make the text centered. So aside from text align, if ganan ko nga i-center na ko siya tibuok, so I will just type center and tap out center. Control S and that one. So we have the centered text and the center image. So if mudugang naputag image, let's put a distance between the two picture. It's either break or we have or HR. Let's say 2 HR, 2 horizontal rule. Then I will create another copy. I will just copy this one and paste it down, and then I'm going to look for another dog. This one. So let's say dog 1, and the type is JPEG. So di na nato i-check dito. Let's just say dog 1, the name is dog 1. So ako siyang i-edit og dog 1 type JPEG. Then I will Ctrl S and run. Wala nakita. Why? There's no picture. As you can see, meron siya gamay na square. It's because wala na to siya gibutang sa usa ka folder. So, look. My web. Wala si dog 1. So, dapat na atong dog 1 nga akong gisave. I guess na siya sa aning nga folder. Yeah. Why is it na siya there? Okay, so ako siyang i-paste there. So, dapat usa sila og balay kay kung imong ibulag, dito siya marang. So, ako na siyang ibalik og run. Tada! So, we have the German Shepherd dog. Okay. So, para mas nicer one, what type of dog is this? So, we have to put the type of the dog. I mean the name of the dog. So, what type of dog this one? Be cute. Mara siya og Labrador og Nawo. I'm not sure. So, I have to use each one. Each one. So, Labrador. So, Labrador. Sorry. So, ato siya center. So, text, dash, line. Kapoy type of style. Task tayo. So, ako lang siya i-center. Center. Then, and type of center. Okay. And just copy this one. And i-paste po ako sa ilalom. This one is German Shepherd. Shepherd. So, if I'm going to run it, so he's a Labrador, and this one is a German Shepherd. Okay. So, what you're going to do next is, your hands-on number 4 is, you're going to create a web page with an image. It contains 5 images with descriptions. So, as of kanakong gibuhat is, we have 2 images. So, ako ni inyong style is dugagan ninyo yung tulo. If you don't have computer or laptops, or if dili siya mo work sa cellphone, then pwede rin nyo itag cellphone, then isa na akong code, or if wala jud ana, just write it on a paper and send it to me. Then I will just check your code. Pero sana, much better sa laptop or computer para makabalo dyan mo. And, total, next week pa mampod ang, the deadline will be on next week. So, you have a chance to visit the PisoNet, to borrow computers with your cousins or brothers and sisters, or even your parents if ever na. If wala jud, like nara mo sa bukid, wala jud layo kayo yung kanya nya lockdown pa ang lugar, if ever mangganit din. No choice, you have to write it on a piece of paper. Okay, so God bless and hope you learned. Next week our virtual classes will be on next week again, and I will do another topic. Let's call it a day. Bye.